Hello everyone, today we are going to make beef and tomato stew. Cut beef into small blocks. Boil water, add ginger. Beef pour in hot water. Boil 2 minutes. Rinse the beef with warm water. Add oil, ginger, stir fry 5 minutes. Stir fry beef until both sides golden and brown. When you eat, it will be fragrant. Add 5 spices. Add pepper powder. Add dry pepper, optional. Add sugar water, light soy sauce. Stir fry 2 minutes. Add boiling water. Cover the top of the beef. Boil 1.5 hours. Let's prepare tomato. Cut cross on top of tomato. Pour hot water on top of tomato. Peel the skin of tomato. Cut tomatoes into big blocks. Remove the center hard core. I've been posting videos, 300 videos. I haven't got your subscribing yet. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Transfer the beef soup into ceramic pot. Add tomato. Boil for 30 minutes. Add tomato sauce or ketchup to make the soup thicker. Add potato. Boil for another 30 minutes. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add light soy sauce. Boil for another 15 minutes till the soup is thick. Add coriander. The beef and the tomato stew is very delicious. Has a lot of nutrition. You can try to cook for your family. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Check out my other videos.